Over 90% of the energy needed by Estonia is being produced by oil shale power plants. This energy production results in more than 6 million tons of byproducts every year. Oil shale ash is being stored in an area that is nearly 19 square kilometers. By now, ash fields in Narva are covered with 280 million tons of ash. The storage of oil shale ash is an essential and pressing environmental issue in Estonia. To solve this issue, Eesti Energia, in cooperation with the Road Administration and Nordicon, initiated the OSAMATproject. The objective of the project is to demonstrate oil shale ash as a valuable construction material. The reinforcement of soil by use of oil shale ash was tested during this innovative project. Road construction was chosen to be the field case where this would be tested. Usually, the soft soil under a road construction site is excavated and replaced by a stable material taken from a quarry. Excavation and transport of such materials is time and energy consuming, as well as a burden to the environment. Mass stabilization was used in the OSAMATproject for reinforcing soil. Substances were added to the existing soft soil in order to achieve the necessary load capacity. This stabilization method is being used in several countries, including our northern neighbor, Finland. The OSAMATproject is unique due to a special binder added to the soil. One of the binder components is oil shale ash. Different binder compositions were developed in laboratories of Rambol, Finland. The Simuna-Vaiatu road section in Länne-Viru County was selected as a test site because the soft peat soil present there provides an excellent opportunity for the stabilization methods to work. A 500-meter test section was divided into 5 parts. Different ash types and quantities were used in each part in order to find the best possible binder composition. Apart from the ash, different quantities of cement were also used in the mixtures. The existing pavement was removed at the beginning of the construction work. The next step was to prepare the soil for stabilization. The necessary mass stabilization components, oil shale ash and cement, were stored in 2 tanks. These materials were then integrated into the soil from the tanks through the use of a mixing device. The injection of a binder was performed with the help of Finnish specialists who made use of their years of experience and specialized equipment. With the help of the mixer, the binder was pressed up to 4 meters into the soil, ensuring even distribution throughout. Processed layers were leveled by an excavator bucket and then prepared for the next phase of the process. To separate different layers, a geotextile was placed on peat, which had been stabilized by an ash mixture. The last phase was to establish load layers with the objective of compacting the stabilized soil. These layers separate excess moisture from the stabilized layer and accelerate reinforcement of the processed soil. Samples were taken and measurements were made throughout the whole project in order to compare the efficiency of different binder mixtures. Measurements will continue after completion of the construction works in order to follow possible changes in road quality. The road will be open for traffic in autumn. Final surfacing and road marking will be done the following spring. We believe that the Simuna-Vaiatu test section proves that oil shale ash is a valuable construction material. The OSAMATproject helps to understand and better use the byproducts produced by the oil shale industry. With this project, we have taken a step closer to a future in which our nature is preserved.